We have continuing coverage after some of the charges were dropped against the woman accused of killing 2 people after allegedly driving across the Interstate 74 pedestrian bridge. News 8's Nina Burns spoke to the Rock Island County State's attorney, who tells us what this means for the case. It's first tonight at 5.
From 14 to 7. That's how many charges the woman accused of driving across the I-74 pedestrian walkway, Chhabria Harris, faces after the Rock Island County State's Attorney Office dismissed half of her initial charges.
Legal technicalities.
But Rock Island County State's Attorney Dora Villarreal says dropping charges isn't out of the ordinary in criminal cases like this.
It's actually very common, especially when we have anything involving cars or traffic incidents, because there will be some initial citations that are given by the officers.
Saying some of the charges that were given at the time of the accident are now covered under other felony charges, giving the example of the dismissal of the driving under the influence charge, because it's covered under the aggravated DUI resulting in accidental death felony charge.
Since we were just trying to kind of go charge the case as things were happening. And as we were getting information. So there were just some lower charges that have now been upgraded to felonies.
And merging duplicate charges together.
There can only be, one leaving the scene involving a death. There can't be several of those, since it is only one act of leaving the scene. Whereas we have, as right now, we have 3 victims. That can be 3 separate cases or charges, but the leaving the scene is only one act, so only one charge.
So when it comes to how this affects Harris's possible sentencing, Villarreal's simple answer is it doesn't.
We believe that we have very good evidence on this case. This was an extremely tragic incident. We are still pursuing it, to the maximum degree that we can.
Nina Burns, WQAD News 8.
Harris remains at the Rock Island County Jail. She's due back in court next month. Some of the charges she faces carry up to 7 years in prison.